Welcome guys to the maiden flight of the 2FIDDY. I'm quite excited about that because I followed the development of the 2FIDDY for quite a while and watched all the videos Tommy from Ummagawd was putting out about it. I have it on order for also quite some time now and really want to see how it flies, how it performs. I have high expectations and hope they can be met. Modifications done to it was a GPS module for return to home functionality that is not dropping out of the sky when we are flying over water. Then I put a mount on it for my Insta 360 Go 2, and I'm using a bigger battery than the original design suggests since we are not staying under 250 grams anymore anyways. Let's take a look after the intro. Hey guys, it's Matt. Thanks for joining again today and welcome back to the channel. Today we are out at the flying field and I'm flying out of the new base tent since in summer the sun really can burn down and it's really nicer to have some shade. So we are looking at the 2FIDDY today and see how it performs. I'm quite excited about this. Leave your comments below, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, that would really help me out a lot. And enjoy the flight, guys. here the flight slowly comes to an end. I'm really surprised in a positive way how it flies. It is a very light design, but it is very great, planted, stable in the air. There's absolutely no prop wash I could find, no vibrations in the frame which would disturb the flight characteristics. Also, because of the efficient design, I can use a bigger battery and really easily can get over 10 minutes flight time out of it, even when pushing it a little bit. So it's not just a freestyle quad, it's basically also functioning as a long-range cruiser if you really want to use it for that purpose. And it's overall easy to fly. It gives you a lot of confidence. You point and shoot. It's really doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Really a great quad, maybe one of my favorites to date. Also, the tune is really spot on, and that alone is priceless. When building my own quad, tuning is kind of a nightmare, and getting it like this, flying that great out of the box, is really a nice advantage. If you're in the market for finding something interesting to fly, maybe you want to give the 2FIDDY a look. Really big thumbs up. And speaking of thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, that would be really appreciated. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe, and see you in the next one. So close. See you next time, guys.